We open apps on our phones dozens of times a day. And each time, an opportunity is lost to make an impression until now. Our risk-ready partner splash page transforms those seconds into lasting impressions, welcoming your clients or members with your brand and message before they enter into the risk-ready mobile app. Inside LaunchRamp, our marketing companion app to risk-ready, partners can design splash pages with quick and easy tools. Partners can simply upload logos, ads, or photos, choose a background, add content, and preview their splash ad in real time. Campaigns can also include 1.5 to 2 second splash ad as the user exits out of risk-ready and can even contain call-to-action links. Every submission is reviewed for compliance, so your brand stays consistent and trusted. Many businesses have networks of local professionals like realtors, financial planners, or insurance agents who serve clients directly. Inside LaunchRamp, those local professionals can hold their own sub-accounts, allowing them to gift risk-ready subscriptions to their clients and personalize splash ads with their own message, creating a powerful, branded connection at the individual level. From national organizations down to individual sub-partners, every campaign comes with performance tracking, impressions, engagement, and click-throughs, so you know exactly how your sponsorship drives value. Partner Splash Page, where risk-ready meets your brand. Connect, reinforce, and grow, whether to your members, your agents, or directly to their clients.